In the previous video, we looked at running Python in a command window and using it to perform experiments and calculations. In this video, we're going to take a look at using Python's package manager to install and manage third-party code. And now it's back to the operating system command line for us. We're going to see how to easily install third-party code from the Python package index. While Python comes with batteries included, meaning that the Python standard library that's already installed contains a wide range of very useful features. There's still plenty of things it doesn't do. Odds are, though, that somebody somewhere has already invented the wheel for us. And if so, we could probably find it in the Python package index. Python 3.4 and later are installed with a tool called pip, which can interface with the Python package index to automatically find, download, and install Python packages. If you already know the name of the package you want and you have permission to write into Python's library directory, then this relatively simple command will get it fully installed and ready to be used. In this instance, we installed a package called bank number, which check if someone's bank number is a valid bank number or is just a random number. If we don't have permission to Python's library directory, never fear. Python will look for a second user-specific library directory, and since that library directory belongs to us, we'll always be able to install packages there. To tell pip that we want to install into our personal library directory, just add --user to the command right after install. Pip could do more than just install packages. It can also give us a list of currently installed packages, upgrade currently installed packages to the newest version, and uninstall packages that we don't need anymore. In short, it's a complete cross-platform management tool for Python packages. Some Python packages require that we be able to compile extensions written in the C programming language to install them, but fortunately, that's becoming rare. Normally, if a compiled extension is required, pip will be able to find and install the proper pre-compiled version automatically. The majority of available packages are pure Python anyhow and don't require compilation. Pip has many more options and command line switches, but what we've seen so far covers the common situations well. If you want to dig into it further, pip's help command will give you the details. For example, this command prints out all the information you could possibly want about the pip install option. In this video, we figured out how to install third-party packages that cut to the chase and make life much easier. In the next video, we'll see how to sift through the Python package index and find the packages that we need to install.